Can you believe it's September already? Just like the weather outside, Calgary's real estate market is starting to cool down. Uh, Still, sales are 31% higher year over year. Remember, that was COVID infected or shut down infected a year ago. Inventory is just over 2 months, which is quite a bit lower seasonally for the last few years, but is moving up a little bit versus where the rest of the year has been. So moving a little bit closer to balance from where we've been earlier this year. Pricing, this is the first month that we have not gained month over month, but we are 10% higher year over year. That's price wise. Prices trended down though in city center, northwest, south, and west Calgary. For those of you out there wondering about townhouses, townhouses have hit a record year-to-date high, which is awesome, but new listings are coming on strong just as much, so it's not keeping the inventory levels down. Inventory is a little bit over 3, which is pretty close to balance, maybe slightly favoring the seller, and the pace of growth is definitely slowing down, so we're still not quite at the previous 2014 high levels, but getting pretty close. And lastly, if you've got an apartment, you've got upside, you've got downside. The upside is that this was actually the best month for sales in the last 6 years. The downside is that with those sales has come a rush of new listings, which has kept inventory very, very much on the buyer's market condition level. All of these trends mean that apartments have made modest gains this year, just over 2%, but we're still nowhere close to where we were in 2014 with the previous highs, probably about 16% lower. So if you've got an apartment that you're looking to sell, probably better to hold on for just a little bit longer. That's it for this month. If you have any real estate questions, feel free to drop me a line, email, or phone call. Thank you. Take care.